driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle the laundry room, specifically the washer and dryer. I have lived here for about 3 months. Oh, actually I'm renting, and this washer and dryer came with the place, but it's driving me insane how gross it looks. So I'm here for another 11 months, so I thought, why not just give it a nice deep clean so that I don't have to live with this grossness for the next almost year. So what I ended up doing first was trying to take off some of the hardware so I could really get in deep. I was able to get half of the front part off and half of this back part off. I couldn't get the whole thing off. The screws were pretty rusted and hard on there, but I was able to get down deep into most of the nooks and crannies. So what I ended up doing was taking some baking soda and putting some water in and made this paste. And I went over to the washer and wiped it down with a multi-purpose cleaner to get that first layer of dirt off. And then I put that paste on and let it sit while I cleaned the rest of the washer.
I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes.
I didn't originally plan on cleaning the back of the washers and dryers, but they were very dusty and dirty, so I just sprayed them with a multi-purpose cleaner and just wiped them down, and then I went in with my Swiffer duster and gave it another good dusting.
There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away.
If you guys have just stumbled upon my videos or my channel, I just want to quickly say hi, and I'm so glad to have you here. I make cleaning and organization videos, and I would love to have you guys subscribe if that's something that you are into. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as give this video a thumbs up.
All about the good vibes.
I also wiped down the walls and the baseboards with that baking soda mix, and it got those black marks out, as well as some stuck on dirt on the baseboards. Now that the baking soda had been sitting on these rust stains for about 30 minutes, I went in with my toothbrush and microfiber cloth and scrubbed everything really well. I also took some cotton swabs and got in the really tiny little nooks and crannies that I couldn't with the toothbrush, and this was just so satisfying, and I'm just so glad that I was able to at least get some of that cleaned under there because it was so gross. Now getting to the inside of the washer, I was not looking forward to this because it's so hard to get into all the little cracks, but this was just the inside of that little seal at the top, and it was so disgusting, and I was honestly so grossed out, but I knew I had to clean it or else it was going to keep bothering me. So I got as deep in as I could, and then I saw this little thing and I honestly almost gave up because it was so grossed out, and I just couldn't understand like how it got this dirty. So it took me forever to get all this gunk out, but I'm so glad that I did. With the inside and majority of the outside clean, I decided to put the hardware back on and put it back in the corner and then clean the top of it with some Lysol wipes.
You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on.
Now finally moving on to the dryer. This was not as much of a task as far as the actual dryer, but the back of it and the wall was pretty gross. So I did the same process. I Swiffered the walls and the back of the dryer and wiped it down, and then I wiped the inside and outside of the dryer. But if you guys have seen my laundry routine video, I've told you guys that whoever was here before me, or somebody that had this one before me, painted the top of my dryer, so it's really hard to clean like paint. So I usually have to vacuum it, and it doesn't look very good, and it was driving me insane. So I cover it with a towel because it just collects dust if I don't. But I tried my best to give it as much of a deep clean as I could.
Out to me.
And now it is time to organize. I was just kind of rearranging things on my two sides of the laundry room because I wasn't very happy with how it was set up. So I decided to move my tissue and Kleenex over by my toilet paper and my hand towels, just to have all the paper products on one side. And then I just kind of sorted and fix the laundry situation. Before, somebody was like, why do you have so much laundry detergent? I used to be an extreme couponer, and I'm still kind of an extreme couponer, but I don't really coupon. I'm more like a clearance hunter. So whenever I find something, 70, 80, 90% off, I stock up, and me as well as my family uses it, and friends if they need it. I know a lot of people are going through rough times with this pandemic, and a lot of people are having struggles with finding household supplies, but I want to let you guys know that I've had this stuff long before this happened, and I'm definitely sharing it with friends and family that are in need. I decided to switch my laundry room up a little bit and put this cart in the middle and ignore the dust on my pants. I didn't even know it was there. But yeah, I decided to switch it up and I like this setup a lot better. I also decided to run a cleaning cycle on my washer, so I use this OxyClean washing machine cleaner and let that run, and that will bring us to the end of this video. If you guys are curious about my laundry room, how I organize it, as well as my laundry routine, I will link that right here for you guys to check out. Don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning and organization motivation, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye.